In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go live on Hostinger step by step. If you've just finished building your website and you're ready to make it visible to the world, this is the final and most exciting step. Going live means your visitors can finally access your site online, and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently and correctly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then click on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, and once you're inside, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your hosting, domains, and websites. From the dashboard, click on Websites. This section shows all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one that you want to publish. Next, find the website you want to take live and click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder or the management area for your site, depending on how you created it. If you built your site using the Hostinger Website Builder, you'll be taken directly into the editor where you can see your pages, design, and content. Before going live, quickly review your website. Check your homepage, navigation menu, contact forms, images, and mobile view. Make sure everything looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to click through each page and confirm there are no placeholder texts, broken links, or missing images. Once you're ready to publish, look for the Publish or Update button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor. If this is your first time publishing, the button will say Publish. Click on it. Hostinger will now process your website and make it live on your connected domain. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message that your website is live. Now open a new tab and type in your domain name to test it. For example, www.yourdomain.com. Press Enter, and your live website should load. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. Sometimes DNS propagation can take a little time, especially if you just connected your domain. In most cases, it's live almost instantly. If you haven't connected a domain yet, you'll need to do that before your site can fully go live. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard, click on Domains, and either connect an existing domain or purchase a new one. Once the domain is properly linked to your hosting plan, you can publish your site again, and it will be accessible online. And that's it. That's exactly how to go live on Hostinger. Log into your account, go to Websites, click Edit Website, review your content, and hit Publish. Your site is now live and accessible to anyone around the world. If this video helped you go live on Hostinger, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.